Every year, there are around 15,000 hailstorms in the US, meaning some of your properties are hit by hail each year. And because hail can cause major property damage, hail is a big deal. Now you might think your local managers have the problem covered, but they don't. On average, managers fail to inspect 87% of properties hit by large hail. Why? Because they just don't know it happened. Surprisingly, 2/3 of hail falls outside of the 8 to 5 work week, while your managers are off work or even asleep. And because the subtle signs of hail damage quickly fade from view, most annual roof inspections also fail to pick it up. So when your roof starts leaking years later, after the evidence of hail damage is gone, your roofs are almost certain to be replaced using your dollars instead of your insurance company's. Talk about a budget killer. This is where we come in. Hail Flash Event Reporter is a revolutionary new service that ensures you quickly recognize every insured hail loss. Hail Flash tracks hail throughout the US and automatically alerts you every time hail impacts one of your properties. This missing ingredient allows you to do 3 key things. First, inspect your property immediately while the signs of hail damage are still fresh. Second, promptly file insurance claims with evidence and documentation. And third, preserve millions of dollars in capital each year by eliminating the oversight of insured losses. Hail Flash sounds simple, but the benefits are huge. Take Clark Investments, who paid approximately $5,000 for Hail Flash monitoring on their entire portfolio of US properties. Within only 2 months, the Hail Flash service had identified hailstorms at 8 different properties that their local managers had completely overlooked. These overlooked hailstorms caused $1.7 million in roof damage. But because Clark Investments was using Hail Flash, all 8 damaged roofs were still quickly recognized and replaced by their insurance company, saving them $1.7 million in future roof expenditures. In Clark Investments' words, "I can't imagine ever operating our properties again without Hail Flash." So ask yourself, if your managers are overlooking 87% of hailstorms, how many roof replacements is your company mistakenly paying for? Stop overlooking insured losses and start saving capital dollars today. Call us now or click below to request more information on Hail Flash.